What's going on, boys and girls? Today we're going to be making a breakfast casserole. And I'm just throwing this thing together, guys. I had some sausage, some ground sausage that I bought. And I said, instead of making patties, I'll just make this into a casserole. So you've seen me do it before. We'll keep this quick. I hope you enjoy it. Alrighty, so like I said, we're gonna do a breakfast casserole. We've got some whole eggs. These are jumbo eggs. Got some bell peppers, and you can see I've got two different pieces. Just had that other one left over from something I cooked the other day. 2 onions, got some salad, olives, some marinated mushrooms, some garlic, got a little bit of mustard. Got about a pound. That's almost 2 pounds. 1.76 pounds of fresh sausage, ground sausage. And then we got several cheeses. Now you can use just one. I got some Italian cheese, got some mozzarella, got some Parmesan, and got some sharp cheddar cheese as well too. So let's put this thing together. Oh, and you know what? I saw those crispy onions. I didn't really take those out to put on the casserole, but we're going to put some of those on top. We're not going to put any of the manwich up there, but we're going to put some of those crispy onions on top of it. All right, we're going to start off by browning our sausage, since that's going to take the longest, and then we're going to saute our vegetables in some of the oil left over by the sausage. All righty, we got them all chopped up. We got the 2 onions chopped up. We've got the bell peppers chopped up, which that's about 2 cups. About 2 cups of onions and about 2 cups of bell peppers. Then we've got our marinated mushrooms, and we've got the olives as well too. That's about 4 tablespoons of marinated mushrooms, about 3 tablespoons of the olives, and about a heaping tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic. Alrighty, I cracked 12 eggs here. And I did add a little bit of milk in there. I didn't mention that when I first started this video, but I put about a half a cup of milk in there, just whole milk. Now we also put about a half of a teaspoonful of Tony Satchery seasoning right there. Now you can use salt and pepper and garlic powder, onion powder, whatever things you like. If you want to use some cayenne powder, whatever you want to use, that suits your taste, just use that. But I just wanted to use some Tony Satchery. And don't over salt it, guys, because you know the sausage already has salt in it. Alrighty, we pour the oil off of it, and then we're going to put this to the side and let it cool a little bit, because we don't want to add the eggs to this while it's still hot, because it'll start scrambling the eggs. Now we got our eggs all scrambled up, nice and bubbly here, and now we're going to saute our vegetables. Alrighty, we're going to saute this until it's nice and glistening here. We're going to put in the mushrooms, because they're already pickled, guys, and the olives and the garlic. We're going to put that in last. Alrighty, like I was saying a little while ago, you add in your marinated mushrooms and your garlic and your olives. Add those in at the end. And then we're going to put this off to the side and let it cool as well too. Alright, we're going to take a casserole dish and just kind of oil it down just a little bit. Now, folks, you want to pour off, you know, the onions and the bell peppers are going to make a lot of liquid. So you want to pour that liquid off. So I poured a lot of it off of here. You can't get every bit of it off, but you want to get the majority of it off. And again, this is too hot to put anything in there. So we're going to let that cool for about 5 minutes, or, you know, till it's a little bit cooler. We can add our mustard right now. All right, we got 2 tablespoons of the Grey Poupon mustard in there. We're just going to mix that in. All right, we can go ahead and add the sausage in there and give it a little bit of a mix here, y'all. Let's get that mixed real thoroughly. And then you can also put some of your cheese in there too. All right, I almost forgot about the fresh parsley. Put about a tablespoon of fresh parsley in there. That's some of the sharp cheddar cheese on top. That's about a half a cup to, it's about a half to a 3/4 of a cup of cheese, but we're going to add more. So we've got a total of about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of cheese in there. Now you don't have to use that much if you don't like it. And these are all different kinds of cheeses, so it's going to make it taste really, really unique. And I'm going to put the Parmesan on top. So we're going to mix this up real thoroughly so that the cheese is incorporated in most of the casserole, and then we're going to add the eggs. All righty, we're going to add the eggs to it now, y'all. And we're going to give that a little bit of a stir. And then we're going to put it in the oven. All righty, we got it all nice and mixed up. Now, we're not going to add the crispy onions till the last 5 minutes or so. So we're going to cook it for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees. And then we'll come back here shortly. Now you can get your dishes washed up. All righty, guys. Does that not look good right there? That was in there 30 minutes. Now we're going to add our crispy fried onions and a little bit of cheese on top of that. And you don't need that much, just a little bit. And then again, put some Parmesan or whatever type of cheese you want to go on top. All righty, we just spread a little bit up there, stick it in the oven for about 5 more minutes, and this will be all done. And there you have it, guys. A fried onion crusted sausage casserole, sausage and egg casserole, or breakfast casserole. Let it cool down for about 5 minutes, then we're going to take us a little bite of this. This was a very good and easy recipe. Now, it does take a little bit more time, guys. It probably took about an hour, hour and a half to do this right here. But I'll be eating on this thing for at least 6 breakfasts. I'll freeze some of it or whatever. So if you like this video, subscribe to it. Give me a hands up. Let me know how you feel. And you guys take care. And we'll see you the next time. Peace.